For pulling the Rasa image from the Docker Hub, first we have to go to the Docker website and search Rasa. Then it will give all the images then you can use of Rasa, which is Rasa X, Rasa NLU, Rasa SDK, but we were going to use Rasa image and go into our tag section so we can use the latest tag, and that's it. We were using this image. Now let's go to the folder that we want to create our subdirectory files. So, and open a command right here, command prompt right here, and run the following command. Now here what I'm going to do, I'm using docker and command to run the container. Then I use slash slash user 1000 to give a root permission so it wouldn't give me any error. And then I use a slash v which stands for volume. Then I will slash uh, specifying the directory in which I'm going to making the Rasa init command for listing down all the directories, and I'm binding my uh, now I'm binding my Rasa using Docker directory to the app directory inside the container using slash app, and this is the image name and the tag name. Then this is the command that I'm going to give to the Rasa, which is Rasa init no prompt. That's it. Now let's run it. It will fetching down all the layers and it will take some time to download. Now the image is pulled successfully. Now it's running our uh, Rasa init no prompt command for initializing the subdirectory structure for it, and it start training our diet classifier model. And if you go back to your directory